Hi, in front of me is REALME Narzo 10 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Start by opening Play Store. Now click on the search bar and type Magic Fluids. Then download this app from this developer. Now open it. Click at the bottom right corner, choose Settings and click I accept. Now you can customize your wallpaper however you want to. When you're done, click at the top right corner and bottom one again. Choose Set as Live Wallpaper, click on Set As and decide if you want it to be on home screen or home screen and lock screen by clicking on one of the options. So now when I go back, I can see that my wallpaper has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!